Brock from Zeppelin Design Labs, and today I want to introduce to you our new product, the Noisette Optical Theremin. The Noisette uses two light sensors that you can cover with your fingers and hands to control the pitch and the volume of the audio signal. The Noisette is our take on the original theremin circuit from over 100 years ago that used two capacitive sensing antennas. Of course, in the Noisette, we take advantage of modern light sensing components and replace the antennas with these two sensors. We offer the Noisette as a do-it-yourself kit that only has 18 parts that need to be assembled to the circuit board, which makes for a fun afternoon project. We've designed this kit with the beginner in mind. Building the Noisette would be a perfect introduction to DIY electronics for STEM students or anyone else interested in that fascinating world of audio electronics. But it can also be the perfect gadget for performance artists or experimental musicians. The Noisette makes an excellent gift or stocking stuffer for your hard-to-shop-for loved ones. It's great for kids even as young as 8 years old with adult supervision. Soldering is required, and there's a list of tools you'll need to build the Noisette on our website, most of which can be acquired from ZeppelinDesignLabs.com. We offer a 30-page, full-color, detailed assembly manual with over 100 photographs, and the PDF is available for free on our website. It's never been easier to enter the world of DIY audio electronics than with the Noisette Optical Theremin. Get yours today at ZeppelinDesignLabs.com.